missing some scattered rain showers today. Look at the spouts. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, other way. Look at the spout. The spouts are pouring. It's still about 70 degrees out. But you can put your meat outside for the evening. This is just fucking nuts. Holy shit. It's just crazy. How long has it been going on? 15 minutes. Probably a little longer, but not a whole lot. There it goes again. Lisa's out there filming too. She can't believe it. Maybe I'll get the car painted for free. $1,500 deductible on a $20,000 paint job. I'm good with that. Look at that. The only thing I keep warning her about is the tornadoes. I can't see behind me. There's no window behind there's no window back here. So I can't see if something's coming. And usually when a tornado comes, it goes black. And you get hail, and then it goes black. Trust me, I've been in them. But this is just nuts. The wind died down, so now it's just a downpour. If you're harvesting water, man, today's the day to do it. We could have filled the pond. Or a swimming pool. Us rednecks prefer ponds. There's a river going down the fucking... Look at this. I take the Jeep down there, but I blew up the Jeep last week. Oh my God. Everything's full. The overflows are full, the garbage cans are gone. We're missing garbage cans. This is just crazy. Well, it's finally lightening up a little. That is just fucking nuts! That's nuts! That's 3 inches of hail! It's winter in July! Oh, it's August. Can't hear. I don't know what the hell she's saying. But now I gotta move all the cars in the mud when it melts, because tomorrow it'll be 85 degrees. Huh? It's too early to tell. I mean, it might have, it got beat up. Man, I'll have Steve look at it. Well, same thing with his. I mean, there's nothing we can do. How the hell did I know we were going to have the end of days happen right now? That's nuts. Oh my God. I don't want to have to worry about the car. I really don't. I think it took it. But I'm seeing hail dents. It's too early to tell. I got to get it cleaned up, and I have another 66 here, that Ford Mustang that's worth a hell of a lot more than mine. But you know, it's beautiful today. Everything was outside. It comes down so fast and furious, man. There's just no way to get everything inside. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Shit happens, though. What else can you do? Hopefully that's over. Now I got to figure out how to get back because I got a broken foot. So I don't need to slip in the mud. And it's going to be muddy for a few days. Okay, this was a nightmare. So I'm going to try and... oh no, here it comes again. I'm trying to get into the house and it's 50 yards away. I got a broken foot, and it just doesn't stop, but that's okay. Alright, let me switch this over and I'll film my trip to the house. Alright, it's starting up again, so I'm going to try and make it in the house. This is just getting... oh man, I'm going to get muddy. I got a bum foot. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Good luck trying to find a dry spot. Here we go. We got the Rio Grande going. Oh, that's huge mud. Oh, this is bad. Okay. I made it. I made it. We're good. I'm going to download this stuff, so hope everyone out there is safe. Alrighty, folks. Here's the aftermath. That was crazy. Oh, still raining. I mean, we need the moisture out here in eastern Colorado. It wrecked my thriving... It wrecked my thriving garden. We're missing a garbage can. I don't even see it. It's probably down there somewhere. But here you go. We're going to go back out to the garage. This is just freaking nuts. I mean, it gets bad out here, but that was crazy. Oh. Oh, we're probably 45 minutes past the nightmare. There you go. There's a picture of that. These are cars I'm working on. Jeep blew up. Got to do some stuff on the camper and get the Ford started. And the hot rod was out for a Sunday drive, and I should have put it back. Oh. Yeah, there's still some on the porch. Oh. I don't think I've ever seen it so green out here. Oh, but it's hard to tell with the camera. Looks like there's some dents in it, but I'm gonna have to wait till it's dry out and see. Oh. Let's see how bad the leak in here is. I mean, it's flooding. Well, I haven't done much worse, but there's still a flood, obviously. It just came down so hard and so fast, it wasn't funny. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching.